find me where I'm weary, where I'm worn. You lift me up, lead me home. When the night feels heavy and my feet can't find the road, you come like morning rain and you soothe the ache I know. You lay me down in green that feels like home again, beside those still, clear streams I breathe, I mend. You steady my heart, you steer my way. When I lose my voice, you sing for me. You're my shepherd, I won't walk alone. You make me lie in places filled with hope. You bring me peace beside the water's flow. You restore my soul, you lead me where love grows. I won't fear no shadow, you are by my side. Your rod, your word, my shelter and my life. You guide me on the right way when the world tries to sway. You lift the weight of doubt, you turn my night to day. Even in the valley where the pain runs deep, I feel your hand, I feel your promise keep. You steady my step, you calm my cry. In the darkest hour, I still find you nigh. You're my shepherd, I won't walk alone. You make me lie in places filled with hope. You bring me peace beside the water's flow. You restore my soul, you lead me where love grows. I won't fear no shadow, you are by my side. Your rod, your word, my shelter and my life. You set a table in the midst of my fears. Anoint my head, my cup runs over tears. Goodness and mercy, they follow me all my days. I walk in your house, always wrapped in your grace. Oh, heaven's near when you are here. I stay, I stay, I stay right here. You're my shepherd, I won't walk alone. You make me lie in places filled with hope. You bring me peace beside the water's flow. You restore my soul, you lead me where love grows. I won't fear no shadow, you are by my side. Goodness and mercy staying close the rest of my life. Lead me home, shepherd.